When I went to the Faroe Islands in 2022, I saw lots of people flying drones where they weren't supposed to, and I see it happening more and more on some of the social media accounts that I follow. There are two main laws that drone pilots keep breaking. First, flying a drone within 5 kilometers of the airport. This is the big one, and I can't believe how many people are so reckless about it. It is illegal to fly any drone at any altitude within 5 kilometers of the airport, no exceptions. If you draw a 5-kilometer radius around the airport, you'll see that this is quite a large area, and it includes some popular tourist sites. One of those sites is Trilanipan. People seem to think that as long as they keep their drone at a low altitude and close to the cliffs, then it's okay. But it's not because, one, it's still against the law, and two, I actually saw several aircraft flying low near the cliffs where people often fly their drones. Passenger planes also make their approach from that direction, and the runway is just beyond the lake, so it's a dangerous place to fly drones, and that's why it's illegal. Another place I see people flying drones, especially FPV, is at Dunistrangar. This is a pair of stunning sea stacks just south of the town of Survagar, but again, it's within 5 kilometers of the airport, which means it's illegal to fly drones there. Do not fly your drone near the airport. Thankfully, there are a couple of popular tourist sites that are just outside that radius. One is the Drangarnir Sea Stacks. You are allowed to fly your drones there. The other is the Mullafossar waterfall in Gassadalur. It's just outside that zone, so again, you can fly your drones there, but not within that 5-kilometer radius. The second main law that drone pilots keep breaking in the Faroe Islands is one that prohibits drones within 150 meters of a village, town, or city, or within 150 meters of main roads that connect villages. I saw people taking out their drones right in the middle of town and flying them right over buildings and main roads. It's either incredibly ignorant or incredibly disrespectful. Either way, don't fly drones close to towns or connecting roads. For additional drone laws, I put a link in the description below. If you're going to the Faroe Islands and planning to fly a drone, don't break the law and ruin it for the rest of us. Thanks for watching.